Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today I'm going to be doing my skincare routine. Sorry I did that weird intro, but whatever. I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine and what I do to keep my skin fresh and dewy and glowy. I do live in Miami. It's very humid here. It's actually cold outside right now, but I'm going to be filming in my sister's bathroom today because my bathroom is a huge mess. And yeah, I'm gonna put all my hair back and get it out of the way. And then I'm going to wash my face. I like to remove my makeup and stuff like that with coconut oil because it takes it all off like super quick. I like to use wipes and this together. Dig into it. Basically, I put some here, my eyes. Yeah, just rub that all off. Yeah. Then you take your wipey and you just clean that off. I'm gonna do the other eye. This is before I wash my face because I like to try to clean it all off. I look crazy right now. Oh my god. You see it all comes off. I mean, not all of it, but you're gonna wash your face, so it's gonna mostly come off. And I like to use this bad boy before I do anything in my skincare routine. I like to steam my face. God, I can't do this with my eyes open. This is just so relaxing and it just feels so nice for your skin. Oh, okay. So yeah, I like to just do this until the little thing of water finishes. So now we're gonna just continue on to my skincare routine. So now I'm gonna be taking my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. So I like to dry wash my face. I saw a YouTuber do this, and basically what you do is you wash your face dry. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit like this much. It's like a little drop. And I'm going to be cleansing my face dry. So my hands are dry. So you're gonna basically, it's like putting on face cream. That's how you're gonna wash your face. Dry cleansing, new thing. Okay, so just a little bit at a time, you're gonna just put water on your hands and then start lathering it up. Okay, so this lighting kind of sucks because it's like 12 o'clock at night right now. I like to do a little bit of a massage. Make sure to lather it all up. And now I'm going to be rinsing my face because of all this soap on my face. So sorry I keep changing these angles. It's just that this camera keeps moving and I keep kicking it because this bathroom is so small. Okay, so now that I finished washing my face, drying it with a towel, I am going to be derma rolling. So I only do this around 2 times a week. So this is my derma roller. Comes like this. So this is my derma roller. It doesn't hurt, it just feels uncomfortable. Like, I mean, I don't like needles at all, but this just doesn't really hurt. It just feels kind of uncomfortable. So before you use it, you have to dip it in alcohol. I have my alcohol here in like a little cup. I'm just gonna leave it there for like around 5 minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've let it soak for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna just take it out of my alcohol. I'm just gonna tap it so that it's dry. I'm gonna be taking my derma roller and I'm gonna show you guys how I derma roll my face. Sorry for the close up, but gotta be some way. I have this red thing on my nose and I don't know what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my derma roller and basically you're gonna just pull your skin a little bit like this. Then you're just gonna put it on here like that. You're just gonna do that lightly, like 3 times like that. Move on to the next. It does leave your skin a little bit red, so I suggest like not doing it before you go out or going in the sun. You see my face is a little bit red. Okay, and then you're gonna go up and down a couple times. And this just really helps with like hyperpigmentation. It helps with like scars that you have. You see I have like these little scars right here. It's been helping with making my pores smaller and things like that. So then you're just gonna go on the forehead Just roll it on there. You don't gotta do it so harsh, because there are needles, and you don't. It's not like someone's giving you an injection. It just feels like someone's scratching your face really hard. Okay, and then we're gonna be doing this side. This. Basically, I'm doing this through the camera lens because I can't see anything. So don't do it like this. And I ordered this on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I don't like needles, and I still use it, so I think it's really helped my skin. I've been using it for a couple months now, and I feel like it's like, you know. So next I'm gonna be using my high frequency little device that I have. I also ordered this on Amazon. It has like this. So basically, it's like little electric currents. It doesn't electrocute your face, but it gives you a little bit of a zap. But I'm gonna show you a trick that it won't like make you feel like you're being electrocuted, you know what I mean? So I just plugged it in, and then it has like a little knob right here on the bottom, and you just adjust settings, and it's gonna turn on like that. Look, I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds scary, but it's not too bad. So you have like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I just like to put it on like 2. And basically what you do is you grab your finger, make sure that your face is dry and everything. So my face is dry. I just did the Derma Roller. So now you're gonna hold it there while you do it on your face. Because if not, you just tap it, you can kind of feel it, which I don't mind it, but for your first time. So what this does is it kills all the bacteria in your face, and it just leaves your skin flawless. It helps also closing your pores, but basically this is just for after a Derma Roller. My facial lady actually had this, and I was like, wait, I could just buy this myself and do it. Just gonna do it down my nose. And then they also have other wands for this. So, you see that you can see a little electricity. So they also have like different little heads. So one closer for your eyes. They have one for, it's like a little comb. I think I have it here. Yeah. They have this one that's for growing your hair. It helps with hair growth. So you can do this every day, actually. It's nice just to close out your pores. So once you're done with that, I like to take either like an essence or a toner. Sometimes I use a toner, but I feel like it's kind of harsh on my skin sometimes, just depending on the one that I use. So I like to take an essence. This is by Wild Dew Treatment Essence. It just makes your skin like really soft. I just feel like it's like a primer for your skincare. So I'm just gonna be putting a little bit on my hands and just press it on my skin. Just push it into your skin. That's what I like to do. There. Down your neck. So I always like to wait like 10 seconds or 15 or however long it takes to dry your product. You keep putting it on wet, it's gonna like not dry, and it's not gonna be able to all soak into your skin. So I like to let my product sit. So once I finish the high frequency, I like to go in with a sheet mask. So I just take any sheet mask. You can order them on Amazon. You can just order them anywhere. And leave it on for like 10 minutes. Ooh. I always look so funny when I put these on. I should have tied my hair back. Oh well. Yep, it's on pretty good. I forgot to get my Derma Roller. I mean, shit, how am I gonna bend down now? Well, I like to take my jade roller. I can't talk about this. Massage it in, and it feels nice. It's like a little. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes, or until basically it dries, and then I'll be right back. So it's been around I'm gonna say like 15 minutes, and this is like, it feels so good. Woo. Okay, so you see all that, put that there. So you see all this liquid that you have on your face, you just rub it in. You can wash it off, but I like to just rub it in. If it's too much, like right now I have a lot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna that takes some off. So once that is all rubbed in, since I have dark spots and pigmentation like right here, I have some marks here, I have like, you know, my freckles right here. My favorite thing that I've been using right now has been this Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. So you're going to take a serum, any serum that you have. I like to use this one. I like to use the Estée Lauder serum, which is this one right here. I like to use this one, or I like to use this one. So it just depends on if I have like, I feel like my marks aren't really, are a little dark. So I'm gonna take one pump. I'm debating if I should, I'm gonna do another one, like half of one. Okay, I'm gonna like, and rub it into my skin. So my current moisturizer that I like to use is the LMS Superfood Day Cream. It's a little bit pricey, but I like to use this one. I used to use the CeraVe one, but I really like this one now. So I'm just gonna take a pump of this, another little pump, and then I'm just going to rub this into my hands and rub it on my skin. So for my eye cream, I like to use Clinique's eye cream. I really like this eye cream. Here, a little bit right here. Even at night or in the day, whatever time it is, I like to put eye cream. I'm a little bit sick. I was dying of the flu. Currently, I was dying of the flu. So I'm just gonna get this eye cream and just dab it like this. So for my night mask, I like to use the Thomas Roth. This is the Rose Stem Cell. I really like this mask. As you can see, I've gone through 3 of these already. I love these masks. I feel like you wake up in the morning and you're like glowing. It's just so good on my face. Sorry, I'm just flicking you guys off. I'm just gonna be using a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos. So I know I kind of like posted one and just like ghosted for like months, but I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos because I just finished school and have a lot more time. And also please follow me on all my social medias. I keep looking at myself instead of the camera. Please follow my social media. I'm gonna be posting my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am new, so if I did anything, you know, that's not right, you know, I'm just learning here. What I'll do, I don't know what I'll do.
You want anything from me?
Why, yes I do. Give me an ice cream, a vanilla ice cream cone if the machine works.
A cone? How am I gonna bring you that?
Ask for it to go.
Yeah, can I have a double? Okay. And can I have a cone? But like, can you put it in the cup because I have to take it home? An ice cream cone for the phone box or the